Mark 10:14. Let the little children come into me, and forbid them not, for such is the kingdom of God. Proverbs 22:6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Elias fire is lit by God. In this picture, you could see Elijah praying to God. He is asking God to send fire from heaven to light the big sticks he has piled on stones. Do you see the stones and sticks? Suddenly, a great flame of fire comes sweeping down from the sky. God sent the fire because Elijah asked him to. The fire is burning the sticks. How frightened and surprised God enemies are as they watched. They did not know that God would answer Elijah's prayer, but Elijah is not surprised. He knew that God would hear him, and now the people know that the Lord is the only God. Let's find out, where did the fire came from? From God. Did God hear Elijah's prayer? Yes. Okay, yung title ko, no, yung part, the part of story ko, someone that believes in God got two bulls, and then they both have to kill them, and then whoever bull sets on fire is the true God, and they will listen to him. Okay, like a Bible game. Like, it will read for you and see what's happening. There's also an activity where you can put stickers on there, or maybe even paint. Otherwise, when someone is telling two women what to do, they have to come to ask him. With the little baby, they are folding. Each of them says that the baby's hurt, and one of them is telling a lie. Which one is it? God tells someone which one to find out. He says to cut the baby in half, give it in half to each other. The woman with the baby's mother said, No, let the other woman have the baby. Don't cut it in half. But someone knew who the woman who didn't want the baby hurt. Must be the baby's mother. Someone gave the baby to its mother. God made someone very wise. Actually, I know the story. It was a story that their mom were carrying its baby, put it on the grass, and she went for a swim. Well, one other lady saw it and wanted to play with it. Well, the other one ran away with the baby, with the one that wanted to play with it. The other one was chasing. There was like Stone Age people. Tapos they took it to their leader. Tapos he made a circle. Tapos sinabi niya pull the baby. One side will pull you hold one side and pull the baby. Whoever pulls the baby the hardest is their mother. Parang ganun po. Parang sinabi niya po. Sabi daw, yung fake mother ay pinul yung baby, while the real mother said she cannot pull the baby. Tapos yung leader po choose yung real mother that didn't pull the baby kasi a true mother wouldn't hurt its baby.
Yes. Galing na.